You don't take Eric laugh, smile. Now reach my turn now. Can they do? Eric just do hehehe. Go reach my second to laugh for the camera. Smile for the camera. Big. Yeah, I'm sure. My name is Esther. I'm from Ebonyi State, but yeah, I work in Akure. Then what else do you have to know? I don't know what's there to know. What else? I'm from Ebonyi, but I live in Akure. I finished from Federal University of Technology, Akure, Futa. I studied accounting. What's my favorite food? Yeah, I really don't know, but I think I kind of like pasta, so I'd say I'll go with pasta. Yeah. My favorite color is purple, but you know I have this thing for black. But my favorite color is purple. What do I like to do? I love music. Yeah, I'm a music person. I love music. I love to watch movies. Yeah, I love seeing movies, series specifically. It keeps me engrossed. I like stuff that make you calculate, make you tax your brain, make you think. Yeah, exactly. So I like to calculate. I calculate even when I'm not calculating. I just enjoy it, basically. I work as the admin and finance manager here in Zacrac. I do everything admin and everything finance, yes. So basically everything finance related, like the financial records, the transactions of the company, every income, every expenditure, every revenue. Yes, I'm in charge of that. Then everything admin related. Yeah. Best part of my work has to be the calculating part, yeah. You know, having to do the accounting record, you know, computing numbers, having to add them up. I kind of enjoy it. So it's the best part of my work, you know, having to calculate, okay, this was the preparing financial statements, you know, having to sum up, okay, this is how we arrived at this. I kind of like it. Most boring part, I'm not so good at. I think it has to be with having to communicate, you know, speak to people. I try, but I'm kind of someone that I'm not. I think having to communicate, having to, you know, tell people this is what you have to do at every point in time. It's kind of it can be annoying, you know. And sometimes I expect people to assume, yes, I'm having to communicate. Then sometimes I think having to deal with customers, sometimes people that come here to make inquiries and all, sometimes dealing with them, you know, some people can be really boring. It's not something I do. I'm not calculating. I have to like start talking to people. It's boring. Okay, I don't think I'm an introvert, so yeah, but I don't think I'm an extrovert. So yeah, I'm trying to look for my extroverted parts here, and I really can't find it. So yeah, I'm an introvert. My favorite song right now, I don't think I have, but I love music. It helps me read. It helps me work better. I love music. It helps me read. It helps me talk better. It helps me work better rather. So my favorite music at the moment, I don't know. I don't know my favorite music at the moment. I like a lot of songs. What song is coming to my head right now? It has to be. What song is coming to my head? Minefield. Yeah. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to sing. My favorite colleague, this is going to make me sound biased. So I love a lot of people at work. So am I supposed to pick a favorite? Why has everybody been picking their favorites? I don't know. I enjoy working with a lot of people at work. I enjoy working with a lot of people. I've met amazing people here in Zacrac that basically bring my people. I love a lot of people here. I can mention names, yeah? Names of people I love. Okay. Start from Wale. I like Wale. I love Wale. When he's in a good mood, he's a very enjoyable boss to work with. I love Boye. Zacrac brought Boye to me. So yes, I love I love Bola. I love when we have talks. She's kind of pretty educative. There's always a lot to learn. Then I love Mr. Gabriel. I love Gabriel. He's also an awesome person. I love everybody. I love Kemi. I love Eric. I love, even if we have new people, I love Janet. Talking to, I always say it's now among those new people. Maybe because I don't interact with every other person, no, but we do talk a number of times, and it's always like, it's not always seeming like we just started working together. So, yeah. I love everybody. I love Tokwe. I didn't get it. Hey, God. My parents live in Ogun State, Abeokuta precisely. My parents live in Abeokuta, so I grew up in Abeokuta. I schooled in Futa, Akure. Then I served in Ibadan. Then after service, I got through a friend, I got a job in Akure. So yeah, I moved to Akure. Since I'm kind of familiar with Akure, I schooled here. Yeah. Are you really going to do this to me? Yeah. Okay. This mind feels that I walk through. You said 2 lines.
Why do you like this song?
I just like it. The lyrics, basically. And it's not like I'm a much love person. No. I just like the song. I just like it. I like how calm it is, how soothing it is, and I enjoy the lyrics. I like people that sang it. I don't want anybody to have any perspective on me. I guess no matter the kind of perspective you want people to have of you, what matters is, I think it's always first impression, basically.
What first impression do you want?
I don't want anybody to have, I would be myself. I would like you to meet me when you're meeting me, the normal person. So if you met me in a bad mood, of course you would have the first impression that she's someone that gets angry a lot, someone who is a bit temperamental and everything. So, and if you get to meet me when I'm in a very good mood, I'm a very playful person. I can be really jovial and fun to be with. I can keep conversations, yes, basically. So it depends on the mood you meet me. Any other questions? She's hungry. Boy, any questions for me? No. Alright, peace out. It was good meeting everybody. It was good making this video. I love you guys. And don't forget, I'm a fine gay.